I want to ask the Minister whether there are any plans to utilize the funds completely. And if yes, what are those plans?
Right, Mantri.
The thrust of the question, as asked by the Honourable Member, was with regards to Poshan Abhiyan, and as has been addressed in the answer, it is a program which is predominantly a Jan Andolan program. As to the reference to the utilization of the funds, Honourable Member also is aware that the scheme is implemented by state governments. We have engaged throughout the past financial year with the governments across the country with regards to utilization of funds, procurement of devices and Jan Andolan activities irrespective of the pandemic that was thrust upon our country.
Good.
I will like to highlight to the Honourable Member through you, sir, that I personally, in fact, undertook a video conference with each state on every aspect of the expenditure, especially under the Poshan Abhiyan in the month of December. We have been assured by states across the country that not only will they ensure utilization of funds, but that they will also ensure that in the year coming forth, we will ensure an enhanced participation.
Right.
Sir, I would, on behalf of states across the country, also here highlight that since it is a Jan Andolan campaign,
Right.
most of the states could not perform up to measure because Anganwadis were shut due to lockdown.
Right. Second supplementary, Agni.
Yes, sir. So there is an expert panel set up by the NFHS 5. Is the ministry expecting the recommendations soon, or is the ministry going to give more and more plans like Jan Andolan, which I am unable to understand in this Poshan Abhiyan?
Please.
The desire to ensure that there is a Jan Andolan is because ICDS, as a complement to the nutrition program across the country, which is over 4 decades old, was not able to materialize in beneficial prospects for mothers and children across the country. And that is why, while on one hand we had the nutrition program, on the other hand there was an increased need to engage more and more with our citizens across the country. In the recent budget pronouncement, there was a pronouncement by the Finance Minister with regards to Poshan 2.0, which is an amalgamation of efforts under the nutrition program and with regards to Jan Andolan. However, as the member has directed, or for that matter sought an answer as to how do we respond to the committee under the NFHS, I would like to here say, sir, that under the Poshan Abhiyan, we are collaborating with 16 ministries across Government of India. One of the examples, with your permission, sir, that I could here give in terms of the is the Jal Jeevan mission, sir. We have reached out to the Ministry of Jal Shakti, to every state, to ensure that drinking water facilities are provided in every Anganwadi, including convergence of our efforts under Manrega to ensure that infrastructure is adequately provided. And sir, that is why I again, through you, want to tell the Honourable Member that Poshan 2.0, which is a pronouncement in the recent budget, is trying to effectively address these challenges which emanate from operations which are undertaken in states in silos.
Right. Srimati Priyanka Chaturvedi, Lok Sabha.